Hello, everyone. News Channel 3, Chief Meteorologist Keith Thompson with a YouTube and Facebook Live update on this Wednesday night. Good news. We made it past Hump Day, and now we are setting our sights on the weekend. We got to get through Thursday. I don't know about you, but Thursday to me is no problem because it's right before Friday, which is right before the weekend. So, so I hope everybody's having a good night tonight. On a little bit later, 9:21 right now on the clock. And like yesterday, or last night, which was, I think, maybe a record shorty for me at about 10 minutes, there isn't that much to talk about. So we should enjoy the tranquility. And what a difference, by the way. You'll probably hear me talk about that more going forward because it looks like the weather's going to continue to be rather quiet, likely through the weekend and into at least early next week. And so what a difference from the last couple of weeks of January, of course, which were tumultuous, to say the least. I mean, so far this month, we've had some cold air. But precip-wise, let's see, an inch, 1.6. We've had less than 2 inches of snow. It's been very, very, very quiet. And that's going to continue. So we'll enjoy that because it is the 180 from what we had in January and really in December and the last half of November. But February so far has definitely not been like January, that's for sure. Carla, hello to you in West Portage. Chris in Coopersville here. So I'm going to mow through this pretty fast. Who knows? Maybe even get out of here before 10 minutes are up. I would be all right with that. But you see what we have on the docket here. I'm going to squeeze myself back just to sort of give you an idea what we have. Heavy coat morning, because for all of the talk of the warmer air that we are soon to experience, it's still cold, and it's going to be cold tomorrow morning. So you're going to need the heavy coat, hat, mittens for the morning bus stop. Trending to sunshine, though. There will be more sunshine that will be developing. Judy, hello to you in Bronson. Jim's here. How warm is tomorrow? About 30, low 30s, closer to average. Jeanette, hello to you. Been scrolling through, trying to find this Facebook Live. Oh, okay. Sorry about that. Good to see you, Joanne. Thanks for being here. Appreciate it. So we have a heavy coat morning, trending to sunshine. You know, today was a bit gloomy. Yesterday, I think we did feature some sun. Let me get my data sheet out here. Why does that sheet always hide from me? I know I have it here somewhere. Oh, here it is. Let's see. Yesterday, no, we had some sunshine. We've had some sunshine here over the last few days. Tomorrow, I think we're going to, today, of course, was cloudy. It was predominantly cloudy. I think we'll trend back to the sunshine tomorrow. And it will be getting warmer with some sunshine for the weekend. I think everybody's on board with that. I think we can handle that. Jennifer in Kalamazoo, thanks for being here. Joanne, been nice to see the sun the last couple of days for sure. Molly, hello. Antarctica finally retreated. You're right. That's a good point there. Jesse, hello to you in the Berg. I'm so sorry about that. And we will think about Acorn there. Lily, hello to you. Stay sunny. Let's get right to it. All right, let's get right to it. I said there's not too much to talk about, so we'll get on it. We start with our bus stop forecast. I think we'll see a lot of clouds tomorrow with some sunshine peeking through. It's always sort of hard to tell if we're going to have that morning cloud deck, and if we do, how long it's going to take to dissipate or to break up. But tomorrow we're starting off in the upper teens to low 20s. So like I said, it's a heavy coat morning. And it's really going to be chilly through the day. You know, our typical high is around 33 degrees. We're going to be at about 30. But I do think we'll see more sunshine in the afternoon. So let's get to our high temperatures and see where we've been. Notice today was very close to being on the mark. 34 is our average high. We were at 35. So today was pretty much an average day. Yesterday was warmer than average, but for the most part, as you can see, we've been in the blue zone, which is colder than average temperatures. Jim, is there any more chance we'll get any more snow coming this month? Well, it's February. There's always a chance. But I will say for now, for the next week, not much. Really, probably none, unless something changes, which it could. And that'll take us all the way to the end of the to the third week of February. And we could see some snow in the last week of February, but that is very sketch. Very sketch. And as I think I said yesterday, I've seen it happen before where winter is going great guns. November, December, January. It just looks like we're just going to be piling up 100 inches of snow. We had 70 almost at News Channel 3 at the end of January, 68 3/4 or something like that. And then it just shuts off. That's what's going on for now. When is it going to shut back on? Not sure. Warm in Benton Harbor, Jerry, today. Thanks for checking in. Chris, ice sculptures downtown Saturday. Ooh, they're going to have to treat the ice there a little bit. It's going to be a little bit warmer. Craig says, keep the ice or keep the warm temperatures coming. Okay, Sally didn't walk today. This weekend will be great for walking. Let's talk high temperatures here. Today we were down into the low to mid 30s. Tomorrow will be around 31. I think that high that you see there of 35 was probably more closer to midnight last night. But notice our trend here is heading up. So we're going to be in the 40s for Saturday and Sunday, low 40s and mid 40s on Monday. And hey, I'll show you that 7-day coming up in just a bit. And we're going to make a run for 50. Tarsha, hello to you. Looking for some more sunshine. Oh, yeah. You bet. You bet. K&M in the house. Good evening. Hope you're doing well, too. So there's the high temperatures. So again, tomorrow it's going to be chilly, but we're stair-stepping up. Right now, those temperatures, these are not wind chills, by the way. These are air temperatures. We're in the low to upper 20s. In fact, Three Rivers right now, the cold spot coming in at 21 degrees. Wind chills, that's the other part of the story, and that's enough. Enough of a breeze out there to push those chills down to the single digits in Allegan and Hastings. Again, it's going to be cold at the bus stop tomorrow, all quiet on the live Doppler radar. There you go, Tarsha. Okay, we got it out there for you. All quiet, and I think that's going to be the case for even tomorrow. So here's your outlook. Wow, this is going to be a quickie. Tomorrow, mostly cloudy, but trending more toward the sunshine later in the day, but still cool, high in the low 30s. We'll be in the upper 30s. Friday, lots of sun. Valentine's Day coming up on Saturday. Lots of sunshine, I think, Saturday and Sunday, and a mix of sun and clouds Monday and Tuesday. And look at our temperatures. They continue moving up. So that by next Wednesday, if we get to 52, that'll be the warmest we've had since January. I forgot. I put it out on a post and a tweet on my pages. When we set a record high of 60, I think it was about 5 or 6 weeks ago, something like 5 weeks ago. It was in the first week or so of January, and that'll be the warmest we've been since then. Lori, hello to you in Galesburg. Richard, hello in PA. Thanks for checking in. Cold and snowy in Pennsylvania there. You've had your share of it, that's for sure. Hello to you, Joanne, again, and Kanan. Thank you so much. All right, everybody, I'm going to go ahead and skate. Because look at this. It's 8 minutes, and I'm already getting out of here. Zach, hello to you. What's up with you, buddy? You see what we have going on for the temperatures. It's all pretty self-explanatory. And get this. Not only will next Wednesday, if it verifies in the low 50s, will be the warmest day that we've had, third warmest this year, but the warmest in about 5 weeks or so, maybe 6. We set a record of 60 back there in the first week and a half of January. This will be the warmest since. And another note, something that's notable, is that the next precipitation that you see on the 7th day isn't until next Wednesday, a week out, and it's going to come in the form of rain, not snow, because it's going to be well above freezing. And there's a suggestion on the GFS model that it could even have a little bit of lightning and thunder along with it. So we'll see how that shakes out. Tina, hello to you in Brooklyn. Thanks so much for being here. Sherry, hello to you. Hope all is well. Good to see you. Let's see. Melody in Union City. Chris, January 9th on the 60. You mean 60 on the, oh yeah, thank you. 60 on the 9th. Yeah, that's when it was. Okay, 60 on the 9th, which is 33 days ago, right? 33 days ago. Joanne, when the winter comes back, it will seem even colder. You're right. Oh, thanks for the report there, Zach, from KC. Fake spring right now. You guys have it there, too, in the middle of the plains. Lori went barefoot yesterday and loved it. Love it. Christine is here from Louisiana, land of the gumbo. Hope it's all okay up here. Hope we're not too cold. And if you're in the room here from Louisiana, if you're still in Louisiana, you'll get the award, I think, for longest distance there. Jeanette need to go to Fort Wayne next Thursday. It's a little early. little early for that. Tomorrow's great. A week from Thursday. Stay with me, and I'll let you know on that. Jana Bill's here, losing her mind with this lovely weather. David, ready for the warm temperatures in March. Jesse, Fern, and Faye, tell them hello. Thank you so much. And Melody, watching Survivor, right? This was the big day, right? I think I only saw, I glanced at a TV and saw I think they were flying people in on a helicopter. Did I see Boston Rob? They're bringing everybody back for the 50th. Melody, thanks for being here, though. Watching Survivor at the same time. I love it. 2 doses of CBS, right? I'm doing great. Thanks very much, Karen. And yeah, I'm a little more popular with the warmer weather coming on. Oh, okay. Okay. Wow. Well, you know what, K&M? We wish you well. And you know what? You'll get there. I know you will. I know you will. Fake spring for KC right now. David still have gas in the snowblower. Well, then we need some more snow, right? Joanne, hope you have a good night as well. And Melody, you too. All right, everybody, I'm going to skate. You got a good chance to check out the 7-day there. Hey, I hope you have a great night tonight. Thanks very much, Joanne. I hope you have a great night too. Jeff Porter's here live in the morning, 4:30 to 9 a.m. He's got you again at noon. I'll be back here at 5:30, and 6. We'll do another Facebook Live tomorrow night at 9 o'clock. Don't forget, WWMT's Keith Thompson, weather updates. Also, I'm on Twitter, X, YouTube, Threads, and Instagram. The @ symbol, Weatherman Keith, @ Weatherman Keith. Also, our website, www.mt.com/weather for weather updates. And also, Will, Jeff, and Colin are all on social media as well. Give them a like or a follow. Karen, I don't know if I can do that. I'll try, but I don't know if I can do that. Johnny lived your whole life here. I know we're not done yet. You're right. The veterans know. The veterans know. Good night, Lee. David, thanks for the thanks. And Lori, appreciate that. That plug is always for the weather. All right, everybody. Hey, we made it to Thursday. Let's knock it out so that we can enjoy our Friday. So give yourself plenty of patience, and your neighbors too. Take your time out there on the roads. And if I don't catch up with you tonight on the tube, we'll see you again tomorrow. Have a good night, everybody.